Good morning. All right, today, I don't know how much you can see, but I'm here at the bowl. Let's see how it looks. Looking good? All right. It's been a while. Since I am in my 40s, I thought today would be a good day to bring the old board down. Haven't ridden this for quite some time. Gonna take my first attempt, not dropping in from the top, but let's see how it goes. Drop in around here. Heck yeah! Check it out. Whoa! Victory. Okay, that was scary. Okay, the courage is in after that first try. I'm gonna try it now with a little bit more speed. It's gonna go a little higher on the bowl. This is where potentially it could get dangerous for somebody like me. So, here we go. Failed out of that one because it felt like a fakie, but not sure if you saw I went any higher. Okay, one more time. And then I'll go to the rest of the skate park, but I did do what I came here to do. And we're out. So like a real genius, got my stuff back there, I decided to try to go higher. Try to get to the top of the bowl. Bad idea. I'm just sad I didn't have it filming. I took a tumble. So, it's not that bad. Just slapped my hands pretty good on the ground. Oh, boy, too old for this. Kevin 3, bowl 1. So there's the rest of the skate park. It starts over here, goes all the way around, and then through here a couple rails. But here's the aftermath of my knee that took the tumble. My other hand just a little dirty and banged up. That one, I slapped the concrete so darn hard. Not that bad, just a little road rash. But yeah, I'm just bummed, man. I wish I had the camera going for that one, of course. Shut it off right before. I now have a bright idea. Instead of being the 40-year-old skateboarding, I'm going to be safe and fly the drone from the park over the pond. So this was the drone. It wasn't my DJI. It was a F200, and I did take it over, and I haven't flown this drone in about 2 years, so it was kind of sketchy. But this is what we're dealing with. So this is what the drone's currently seeing. There's the duck pond. Spin it around. Not sure why that's going off. Okay, I'm not spinning them around. I'm moving them from side to side. Okay, hold on. I'll spin them around here. And we have liftoff. Here we go. Gonna send them out over the pond here. This is the F200 Shadow. So I'll start take a picture of us while he's sitting there. It's been a while, so he's looking good so far. I have had him go crazy in my house before, but okay, I'm gonna start shooting video and I'll show you from the drone's perspective. Ready, buddy? It's right there, slowly moving, but the batteries on this are just so terrible right now. I think because I didn't charge them. before I went. They've been sitting for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. Good news is I have 3 of them, but the bad news is they die within 10 minutes. So this is the F200 Shadow. He does kind of scare me though. I have had my hand cut by these blades before on a different one. That one lost his mind and went berserk on me inside the house. Not a good idea. All right, let me change batteries real quick and then see how the other one lasts. Here he comes, returning from his journey of 200 feet, but the batteries went out a little too quick today. Welcome back to Earth, little drone. So here we are at the duck pond, Temecula Duck Pond to be exact, but okay, done with the drone now, but I was looking across here, and fun fact about me, moved here in 1987 and lived between here, I hear you crow, 1987, and on and off all the way until 2022. I grew up here in the San Fernando Valley next to Los Angeles. Well, Mountain Mike's Pizza that I did not know was there in front where the old claim jumper has been. That was my first job ever. I was 15 years old and it was a round table. Some of the best days of my life in there. And if you don't think that the drought's affecting everyone, look at that, you can walk out on there. Never could do that before. So I'm gonna go walk around the lake and see what they've added and some of the sculptures, and I think I might have something from one of my family members noted around here somewhere, so I'm gonna go see if I can find that as well. So when you walk in here, I guess Temecula shares a sister city with Japan, so they have this here as the entrance, and then over here they have the 10-year anniversary of eternal friendship, celebrating the 10th anniversary in 2004. And then on this one, the 20th anniversary of eternal friendship of our sister cities, Temecula and Daisen. I think I'm saying that right. And what do you know, we're about to be on our 30th. So gonna have to find some room for the 30th. Go walk around and show you some of these guys walking freely. They have a sign there that says duck feeding is against the law. Wow, you guys look like you've been fed quite well, the size of you. Yes, I'm talking to you. You want a picture? Come here. I don't eat duck, so don't be worried. Oh, here we go. If you were wondering how to get there, you just make a left here and go 5,841 miles that way. Okay, gonna head over to the other side. Whoa. Uh-oh, they know something. What's happening? Where are you guys going? Shortcut? It's back there. What do you know that I don't? Oh, this is the spot where they can go and Pennywise? Are you in there? Georgie? Runs underneath here, right out here into the little pond. That guy's got the right idea. Get a bath. Oh, they all do. There's warm over there. Hanging out the wall. Not a bad idea. Temecula Remembrance Bench. Rest and reflect on this bench, knowing Temecula stood strong during the worldwide corona pandemic. As a community, we remain resilient and together. We move forward with renewed determination and hope. 10/21/21 to Temecula residents affected in immeasurable ways by the global COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, China flu, as somebody once has said, and in memory of the loved ones who lost their lives. It's nice. I didn't know that was there. I don't see that sort of stuff often. Now made our way to the other side of the lake where the sun is shining. That's what I was trying to say. on this odd color blue water. But what I was going to show you was over here for our veterans. This is a veterans memorial, and over here as well. I'll stop by that. But my dad and my grandfather have a brick over there, and it looks like they're cleaning them up because they do get rather filthy and just kind of dry up and you can't really read the name. So I'm going to see how that looks. Thought this was pretty cool too. This is the Fallen Heroes monument for the soldiers. It looks like a M16, I believe. And even the dog tags right here. Wow. It's very nice. And then here's the statue. With the eagle above. This monument bears witness to the cities of Temecula's fallen heroes, those courageous few who have died in military service to our country. The city dedicates this memorial as a record of their sacrifice and of their gratitude that those who visit may help their legacies and endure. A hero is someone who has given his or her life to something bigger than themselves. Nicely said. And then here's the restaurant they have. This used to be the visitor center way long time ago. And now it's OBC, I believe it's something brewing here. Wow. It's very nice. And then here's the statue. With the eagle above. This monument bears witness to the cities of Temecula's fallen heroes, those courageous few who have died in military service to our country. The city dedicates this memorial as a record of their sacrifice and of their gratitude that those who visit may help their legacies and endure. A hero is someone who has given his or her life to something bigger than themselves. Nicely said. And then here's the restaurant they have. This used to be the visitor center way long time ago. And now it's OBC, I believe it's something brewing. Here, someone decided to leave their Red Bull and their shoes. Maybe they're just trying out. But yeah, over here we're community services. That's where my dad's brick is. As you can see, it shows what war they fought in. Korean War, Vietnam, Civil War, 184th New York Infantry, 1864 through 68. Wow. So no, that is awesome that they're actually cleaning it up. That's my dad right there, and they're getting to him. So here are the other monuments on the very far side of the lake. That was cool, though. I talked to the people that were repainting those, and I did find my dad's name, and they were really excited, and I thanked them for doing that. What is this? Sculpture of something. City of Temecula in connection with the events and for 9/11. Okay. Seeing how that plays in, but 22 years, two cities together, a relationship. Okay, so this side is Temecula and Leichendam-Voorburg. Temecula just bothers everyone for some reason. This looks like a Dutch thing or something. Yeah, Dutch Companies Institution of Citizens. They gave us this, and these people. What is this? Headless people with, there's 3 of them. Umbrellas on their head? The statue of the mother and children bravely pedaling in the storm is a gift from Temecula's sister city, Leichendam-Voorburg, to honor the resilient American spirit in the aftermath of 9/11. Okay, thank you, Dutch people. Okay, I'm gonna head out of here real quick. One more look at the lake, and I'm gonna head actually over to one more pond and go. Oh, look at it, there he is. Come here, turtle. Come here. If you're in the other lake, I'd get you. Oh, he dived. Okay, let's go. Pennywise, if you're in there, I'm leaving now. I'm leaving. Georgie. Okay, switch back to the phone, so it might sound a little bit different, but over here I found another pond. This one, unlike the harvested one, well, there's some ducks over there, but watch this. Instant turtles. There's a turtle over there. There's another one over there. These ones do not dive at all. Oh, Here comes a couple more. There's koi fish in here too, but ducks too. Hey guys, here we go. This is the action right here. Here comes a duck. Turtle, 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 turtle. You guys want some bread? I brought bread. Let's see. See if he eats it. Uh-oh, focus, focus. Oh, you got it. Whoa, you just ran over that turtle. All right, so this is my plan now. 3 ducks, lots of turtle, a couple koi. I'm trying to see the koi down there. There's a white one. So check this out. Oh, the ducks are all going that way. I was trying to get it to them before they... Quick, quick, little turtle. Eat, eat, eat. Get it, turtle. Get it, turtle. Beat the duck. Whoa, they're fighting with each other. Watch this. Over there, duck. Over there, duck. And over there, turtle. He got a big one because jerk duck right here. Okay, we got a lot down here too. Quick, quick, quick. Whoa, 4 ducks now. There you go, little turtle. Eat. Oh, okay. There's the koi. I gotta get the koi fed too. Whoa. Whoa. I caught that on tape. That was mean. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool down for a sec, and they're gonna think like I have no more delicious King's Hawaiian bread. I wanna get to those kois. They're way down there. Okay, let's try again. Look what I've started. Look at these guys. This bench warmers over here. Okay, first I'll go long ball. Way out there for ducks. Way out there for ducks. And then while that's going on, that's the old rope-a-dope. Eat, turtles, eat. Eat, turtles. Eat. Hey, duck. It's way over there. Oh, man. That's a big one. Okay, right here. Quick. Get it, get it. Wow. Turtle beat you, duck. So now the ducks are all in the pool. They're fighting amongst each other. That's right, ducks. I have no more. Really, I do, turtles. Hold on. Yep, swim away, ducks. Turtle time. Go, turtles, go. Go. Eat, turtles. Eat, eat. It's right in front of you. How can you not see that? I thought you got a good one. Uh-oh, the ducks will run over anyone to eat. Last couple pieces. If they were smart, they'd come over here. There's a lot of turtles in this pond. Well, with that being said, I think we're done today. Didn't do much. Fell off my skateboard. Went to a couple ponds, fed some ducks, flew a drone. All in all, not a bad day. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And also, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you. Till next time.